Hello guys, Nitesh alive from Excelviz. So today I'm going to be recording a very short video on a very basic thing which most people should know, but it's not something very obvious to those who don't use Excel on a day-to-day basis. So it's a very simple concept. In fact, that Excel can be used as a calculator and can be used to perform arithmetics. So for example, if we want to do any arithmetic operations in Excel, we go to a particular cell. For example, let me use A3. You will see why I'm doing that shortly. So let's say you have two figures, 100 and 50, and then you want to perform subtraction, addition, division, multiplication. So 50 and 100 will be 100. If you want to add, a formula will always start with an equal sign. So 100 plus 50, which gives you 150. If you want to subtract, 100 minus 50. If you want to multiply, 100 times 50. And then finally, if you want to divide, 100 divide by 50. So all operations can be done using Excel. In fact, you can even go ahead and perform multiple or complex operations, like let's say you want to do 100, you want to add 150 and then divide it by 2. So and the order of operations hold true just the way it does in real life. So 100 divide 100 plus 50 divided by 2. The brackets are very important, otherwise you will get some very funny results. 100 plus 50 divided by 2, which is not correct. So the order of operations follow. So now there is one big mistake I have done here, because for example, let's say if I wanted to have 225 instead of 150. So now I will have to go back to each cell and change the figures. So instead of that, the best practice is never to hard code values, rather to keep the inputs as separate figures, and then you perform the operations referencing the cells containing the inputs. So for example, here it's supposed to be 100 and then 50. So now you refer to A1 and then add A2. The same way here we do 100 minus 50. So A1 minus A2. So I think you get the gist now. So let me just quickly fill it up. Of course, you can always go to the formula bar. Sometimes it's easier instead of repeating the whole operation. This one I think I can leave it aside now, since it's obviously wrong. Okay, I can't say it was wrong, but not what I wanted. So yep, I just wanted to show some few best practices, and also how you can use Excel as a calculator. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. You know, it was something very basic, but it's something which is useful for a beginner. Thanks. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.